everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we'll be making pulao. This is made with mint leaves and lots of veggies. So let's see the ingredients required for making this pulao. First of all, I have taken a bowl of green peas, beans and cut it. I have cut carrots also in this way. Capsicum also I have made into pieces. I have taken a small bowl of each vegetable and of course some cauliflower, one bowl of tomatoes. Two medium sized tomatoes I have taken and two medium sized onions I have sliced it like this. These vegetables you can change, but with these vegetables this pulao tastes very good. So now let's see what we have to have for the masala. For the masala, green chilies as much as you like and some ginger and garlic, one small bowl of mint leaves, one small bowl of coriander leaves. I measured 1.5 rice, so I'll be taking 3 glasses of water and I have kept it for boiling, these 3 glasses. For the masalas, see, either you can grind this along with the other masala that we are going to make, or you can put it as whole. I have taken some bay leaf, some cinnamon, 2-3 cloves, 1 teaspoon of pepper, corns and 2 cardamoms. So this also depends on how much masala you like. This is very mild, so I've just taken little bit. Some salt and 3 tablespoons of coconut scraping I have taken. I have taken 1 teaspoon full of jeera and 3/4 spoon of haldi or the turmeric powder. If you like lemon, you can add some lemon also. And some oil. Here we are not using ghee. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Here I have used groundnut oil. Now I am grinding the masala for this pulao. I am taking the green chilies, the ginger, garlic, coriander. At this point you can add the whole spices also except the bay leaf. So I am going to add the spices also in this and keep the bay leaf aside. I am not going to grind the mint leaf along with this because it becomes too minty. This later when we are making the pulao we will add. So let me grind this. Now I am adding the fresh coconut. I am just keeping it aside. Later on we will use it. Now let me grind this. I have added 2 tablespoons water and ground this mixture into a coarse paste. Now let's start making the pulao. Here today I am cooking the rice along with the masala in the cooker itself. And as you can see the water is boiling. So I am switching it off. Now I am adding some oil. If you have not taken the whole spices and ground, this is the time when you have to add it along with the bay leaves. Now I am adding some cumin seeds. I'll add the onions. It need not brown too much. It should become transparent. Now the onions have become transparent. I am adding carrots, beans, capsicum, peas and stir frying it for few minutes so that when we add water and cook along with the rice, it does not become soggy. Now I am adding the cauliflowers. These are the vegetables that are used to make this pulao. Now I am adding turmeric powder, also the mint leaf and salt paste. I have taken 1.5 teaspoons here. Now give it a nice stir so that your vegetables stir fry nicely and the haldi or the turmeric gets mixed with all the vegetables. Turmeric is an antioxidant and an antibiotic. So it's good if you use it in the food you make. Now I am adding the masala and frying the masala with the vegetables. My gas is on the high because here we have to evaporate the water of the masala. Now the vegetables are completely mixed with the masala. It's getting roasted. Just for the 2-3 minutes you have to roast because remember we have taken all raw spices. So little bit it has to cook in the vegetable mixture and oil. Now it's time to add the rice. Mix the rice thoroughly with the vegetable mixture and the masala. The flame is on the high. This you have to roast it at least for 2 minutes. Now it's roasted completely. All the water from the masala has evaporated and it's dry. To this mixture we will add water now. Now I am adding boiling water. We have measured the water. For 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Just give it a stir. Let the water boil. The water is boiling. Now is the time to add the tomatoes. Adding tomatoes at the end will give the nice texture to the pulao. So I'm just adding the tomatoes at the end. Now the water is boiling. It's time to close the lid of the pressure cooker. Remember, you have to seal it well and put the weight on it and wait for it to give 2 whistles. Now the cooker has to cool. It will take time. In meantime, we'll make the salad. So here I have taken some cucumber, 1 bowl, finely diced onion and tomatoes, some coriander leaf, some chilies. I have taken salt, 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon sugar. So this is lemon juice. You can take as much as you want. It depends on your taste. I have taken some thick curds. If you want flowing consistency, you can mix some water and adjust the consistency. These are the basic ingredients that is required. You can put jeera powder. Add all the ingredients that is shown. Cucumber, tomatoes, onion, chilies to your taste, coriander leaves, lemon juice and the thick curds or yogurt, the sugar and the salt also. Remember, when you add salt to any vegetable, it leaves water. So depending on how much thickness you want, you can add some water to adjust the consistency. This salad is ready to eat with your pulao. Now the cooker is cool. Can you see there's no steam coming out, so it's safe to remove. Yum! Your pulao is ready. At this point, if you like, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice if you like. Now the pulao is ready with your salad. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications.